Hi, my name is Molly Sutter, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the app feature that I created for Machine Project 3. And first, I'll do a little demo and explain the function of the feature that I added. So as you can see, the map looks nearly identical to what it looked like before, but it now has this new button that says Set Your Location. And when you click this button, it prompts you to set your location. So I'll just put it here, for example. It then drops a pin and then only shows the location or the places on or in the app that are walkable, which I set to about half a mile. And I'll show you a little bit about how I did it. So the first thing I did was add the button, which is in activity main.xml. It added this portion of the code automatically, and then in order to change the text on the in the button, I used this text off, set your location, text on, setting your location. So, in order to implement the button into prompting you to set your location and then setting it and then finding those walkable places, I added these new variables, current latitude, current longitude. The Boolean is placing location, and the toggle button, placing button, right above the on create. I then define the button to toggle button 3 by following similar format to this here. And I also use this resource on Stack Overflow that I got from the help site actually. And it helped me find out how to set on-click listener and define this new button. In this updates shown places, in order to update the shown places, I actually first had to create a new function, which I called, or a new method called walkable places, which returns a list of places. For each, or with this for loop, I found this distance formula on this website here. I used this to find the distance, and then I said if the distance was within walkable range to add this place to a new array list called walkable places, and then return it. So the way I implemented this was in the update shown places method, I changed this for walkable places of show places. It would then show only the places that were within walkable distance. 320. I also had to change the single tap confirmed helper for to see if is placing location is true, which it is initially set to false, but when the button is clicked, it then changes to true to then once the pin is placed, which would be the single tap, is placing location would then turn to false so that it's no longer prompting you to set a location. And then we would get the longitude and latitude from these, or from this pin that's dropped, and then update shown places using the current longitude, latitude, and then all places. One challenge that I had was definitely getting the button to actually go onto this map. This was definitely something hard to figure out, and to get it to integrate into main activity, which I ultimately did using this website. I also used some of these websites to help me figure out the marker class. I tried to change the color of the pin dropped, setting your your current location, but ultimately I just stuck with the defaults. And just to confirm that I did upload this to GitHub, I finished MP3 here.